Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Iman and today I'm going to be making a cream fruit chaat. I hope you enjoy the video. For the ingredients, we've got 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, 300 ml of double cream, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon salt, got some mango, some pineapple, banana, pear, apple, strawberries, dates, blueberry and grapes. Mum is going to cut the fruit. My mum has cut all the fruits up. I'm going to add the double cream. Now the condensed milk. Now the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to mix it really well. Now I'm going to add the fruit. Now I'm going to mix it. It's all mixed. It's all ready. Wow, I can't wait to try it for iftar. It looks so yummy. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. Have a happy Ramadan. Allah Hafiz.